Tell the time. If your clock stops, can you tell the time? How can we tell when time changes in nature? What other things can tell us that time passes? Look at the moon and the sun. Can you tell the difference each day? Can you tell the time with the sun and the moon? Let's observe that the position of the sun changes throughout a day. Let's catch the sun. Step 1. Choose a sunny day to observe. Step 2. Choose a still object such as a tree or a building to be the benchmark. Step 3. Record the positions of the sun and the still object 4 times a day. When you observe the position of the sun, you will see the sun changes position over time. The sun rises in the east and goes down in the west. The shadow of the tree changes with the position of the sun. In the past, we decided one day would be the period between one sunrise and the next. Now, let's observe that the position of the moon changes. Observe the moon at night. Step 1. Choose a night to observe the moon, and choose a still object to be the benchmark. Step 2. Record the positions of the moon and the still object at 3 different times. What did you find? When you observe the position of the moon, you will also see that the position of the moon changes with time. Moon phases look different every day. The length of a moon phase is about a month. These moon phases change regularly. Why can we use the sun and the moon to measure time? Besides the sun and the moon, what else can tell the time changes? Nature can help us tell the time. There are 4 seasons in most places on Earth. They are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. The Earth travels around the sun once a year. Seasons change throughout the year because of the way the Earth moves. Trees change with 4 seasons. There's more. Stars can also help us tell the time. Do you know how? The sun, moon, and stars can all help us see time passing. However, we don't use the sun and the moon to measure time anymore. Why? Measure the time. These are many different units of time. Some units measure longer periods of time: month, year, and century. What tools can we use to measure time? There are many clocks or ways to measure time in our daily life. Look at the picture. Can you think of how they work? I hope you liked the video. See you next time.